gas. But if you use the tube, the concentration is not stable. It's vibrating all the time and make a great sounds. Make a make a big noise. Make a big noise. Our during the process of our system, as the frequency is not that high, so the noise is much lower. The third is the stability. For long-term running, uh, our year-to-year degradation is less than 3%. It is our test result. But for our output is always higher than the standard output is 200. Always we can make it higher than that. So in the first 2 years, you will not notice that the output is going lower or degradation. And after the first few years, the degradation is going slower and slower. So for long-term running, our generator, the performance is very nice. Get a long-term using generator. You can use it for more than 2 years, and if you can use very good quality of oxygen and cooling water, you can control the quality. In, for our customer, many customer has already used our products for more than 10 years. More than 10 years, it's still running very smoothly, and the output uh, uh, output is still normal, and the ozone concentration is in the normal concentration, and still running well. Compared with the normal product, we have many technicals with this module, and I will introduce it step by step. By the way, we will have question or you need technical support, just leave a message to me, and I will arrange our technical expert to explain that and give solution. During the last many years, I think we uh, accumulate the experience on solving the problem with many various applications. Okay, now we are talking about the good 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 standard for a good ozone generator. It must be save the power, and it must be generator can stable running, and with high concentration and a high output of grams, and easy using. It is what we will give when we study what we will give customer, and we have made the standard of that. So we fix the everything on a pallet. Uh, special design. Special design. We design the dimension of this pallet. We can fix everything on this pallet tight, but not too tight. We can ship it with low shipping cost. After you received the system, it is very easy to run up this system. You just connect the oxygen in, and we have prepared a pressure gauge for you already, and we adjust the output needle valve to control the pressure inside the uh, inside the module. Of course, it is this system was tested and run for a period of time in our fab. Uh, and we also offer a SOP, standard operation procedure, and you can run up it very easy. Okay, let me introduce the composition for this kit step by step. Uh, uh, in front of me, the aluminum part is the ozone generator core. For this, in the front, the white box is the power connection box. Inside this, we have fuses, and we will connect the power to inside to the electro plate inside the module, and we also connect it to the um, transformer. Transformer and the transformer we have several pins. One the high voltage connect to this box, and for the grounding we connect to the back of the module. And for the transformer, we connect one on the two pin to the frequency converter. The frequency converter, we change the normal frequency power of, for example, 50 or 60 hertz to 10,000 hertz or even higher. Because of the high frequency of the power, we will use the high frequency transformer. Okay, based on these main parts, we fix the potential adjuster, and for this parts you can adjust the power output of the frequency converter, and you can adjust from 0 to 100% power output. Okay, and for the next accessory is the power meter. It's a power meter. You can easily read the power now and the voltage and also current. And for more, you can have all power consumption number and in the right bottom location. Okay, even more, and we fix everything here, and we will have a manual. Have a manual even for the kids. We have manual, and let our customer can use it easy. If you have any question, please type on your screen because we just power on the system. We cannot show the details for the performance. Later, we will make another live stream for this. Just now we say um, our ozone generator performance is very nice, low energy cost, consumption, and high performance, high output, long term stable. But why? How I succeed to make that? Because we have many special technologies. Let me explain it a little bit. The first is that we have a very nice material to make the electroplate. The electroconductive particle will not, it will be very stable. So make the electroplate very stable. Uh, 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 electroplate material is stable. Have double set. We have double set protection layer, double set protection layer, and during the lifetime of the ozone generator, the electroplate will keep a very nice working condition. Flexibi- Flexibility assembly technology. We make the assembly very precise. We make the assembly precise, and because of the flexibility uh, assembly, we make the use rate of our electroplate uh, higher than 98%. 98%. It's almost 30% higher than standard normal normal level. So because of that, we can make this system very efficient, more efficient than normal products, and we can save, we can make save power consumption and high performance and high stability. We got them in the same time. It is our technology rough introduction. Have a very strict assembly standard and test standard. After we establish the module, we have many electro tests and physical tests. For electrical test, we test some parameters here and homogeneity for every plate. Uh, on the physical test process, we will test the uh, pressure, endurable, whether it can be 4 atmosphere, and the level of every pass, and make every fine. Yeah. Besides that, we have the special uh, uh, transformer. It is a high frequency and have the uh, inductance inside, inductance inside, and we can make everything uh, face 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 the parameter. Yeah. 是那个吗？他又回来了，我的天啊，他不停的回来呢，是不是 Blade 和 Play 的是比较像？他买什么 Blade Screw Raw Saw Blade，他是买这个圆形锯片的。Let me talk about the application for this case. If you are manufacturing equipment manufacturing and developer, it is very suitable for you. Uh, uh, for basically, it's very suitable for your R&D department. R&D department, you can handle this system very easily, yeah. And accelerate your R&D process. The second is concentration is very high and stable and adjustable. You can adjust the concentration to the target for your experiment. And if you are manufacturing of the equipment, even um, for semiconductor and for water treatment and even for oil ozonized oil is also very suitable because you can easily fix that. Before we send out the case, we already uh, adjust this in very good condition, and you can fix to your tool, and you wrap up your whole equipment very quick. And for now, there are more and more uh, fish farmer or the fish ponds owner. They will use ozone to disinfection or kill the pests in the pond, especially for shrimp ponds, fish ponds. It's very useful, and the best thing is there's no residue after we perform the disinfection uh, on the water. There's uh, residue, no residue. After we mix the water with ozone, we can easily decomposite ozone with UV light, and after that we uh, 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 pump the water to your pond, and your fish and your shrimp will get fresh water without bacteria and pests. So we talk about the application. What is your application, and what is the key point you need, and all the key difficulties you are facing? We can make solution for all of them. I don't know whether you drink tea, but for tea there's many agriculture chemical, much agriculture for all of the vegetables, or the fruits, or the plants. Uh, Recently, many customers buy ozone generator to make ozone water and use the ozone water instead of agriculture chemical. Agriculture chemical. There's no residue, but can kill the bacteria and pests, and very good for your plants because it ozone have a very strong performance, so it can decompose your fertilized material uh, on your soil, on your earth. Recently, for the farmer facing a big problem is the soil compaction, soil hardening or hot soil hardening or compaction. For this, makes the farmers headache for a long time, and they use mechanical uh, tools to make that. But I want to say the best way is to use ozone. We make ozone water, and we fill the land with water. we use ozone water for soil irrigation. The irrigation system is uh, uh, irrigates the fields with ozone water, and once or irrigates the soil with ozone water once in spring or before your uh, uh, mm, and before you grow your plants, you will get very clean soil, and the chemical fertilizer was decomposited by the ozone water. After that, the plant will grow faster because the fertilizer is very small molecular, small molecular, and it can be absorbed by the plant with very high efficiency. For example, there is one of my customer from Korea. They make they have no soil plant technology, and they use ozone to make the fertilizer to be very small molecular, and the result is the output of their plant. It's six times than the original with no ozone treatment. Any question and answer? For agriculture, there are several problems we need to solve. First is we need to make a no residue disinfection method. And second, we need a high efficiency disinfection method. Third, we need a safe method. All of them can be used by uh, realistic by the ozone technology. 是吗？那不对呀、不是那个名字呀，不一样。我刚才对过了啊，不是，刚才我问你不就是这个事？我刚对过不是，出来这个不是。然后感觉他又不愿意了，虽然他说了这个 美国现在已经8点多了吧？那我们8点13，那是我们8点13。嗯，这个尼古拉这个不下线了。时间？当然不可能，它是刚好12小时以后。哈哈，你听懂啊？对，它是刚好在我们另外一面。对，硅谷这个华尔街不是应该早点起床吗？华尔街不买这玩意儿。休息。
有买家进入直播间了。
法国现在是几点啊？下午。法国现在中午12点，2点了吗？嗯。So, my friend, tell me, what's your application and in your country, what is ozone used for? For example, in China, the city water and the pure water were treated by ozone, and also we treated ozone, treated the pollution water with ozone. And for the cooling tower, I heard that around the world, uh, many owners use ozone to treat the circulating water. It can save water and make disinfection. 只有一个铁粉，尼古拉同志一直在这儿，尼古拉太厉害了。哎呀，hold动，不能搞。嗯，你跟尼古拉播一下吧。Hello，尼古拉。Let me introduce the test. Uh, and I can explain to you. It's the one for income for the oxygen in and oxygen for the second module. So we have two modules for this tool. Module one and module two. For module one, we can see the parameters on the on the screen, and we check it is the circulating cooling water and the cooling water temperature, water out to trigger temperature and cooling water in and cooling water pressure. For this is the nitrogen flow rate. For this high concentration food, we need uh, we need a nitrogen. We need nitrogen. The nitrogen flow rate. Besides that, we have setting from the flow rate income and the oxygen ozone output concentration and the pressure for the supply. And the second is the same, and it's the main screen and the main screen too. Okay. For this we have four modules, and it is alarm. For now we didn't start up and didn't connect the chiller. So you can see the pressure for the cooling water is too low, and second for the second alarm, on the error screen, you can see module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, and the system alarm, you can see didn't have a system alarm. Okay. And you also have a help screen. Okay, so we exit and enter. Okay, it's clear for you? Yes. Welcome to Jimo Intelligent Technology. We are a professional manufacturer of ozone generator and oxygen generator. Our experts have been developing the system and products for more than 27 years. So if you need any technical support or you want to talk about your solution, your application, and we will arrange our experts to make the solution for your application. So could you please tell where do you want to use the ozone generator? So we talk about some topic about this about uh, ozone can decompose organic and some metal ions, and it will make the disinfection and extinguish the virus uh, and make the polluted water to be changed to the standard that can drink to the drink directly. And the second, it can be made for the paper industry. It can uh, it can bleach or whiten. We can whiten the paper pulp. The paper pulp. We can whiten paper pulp for the paper industry. And for agriculture, uh, we can use uh, we can use ozone to keep fresh for vegetables and fruits. Uh, ozone can inhibit suppress can suppress bacteria that on the surface of vegetable and fruit to growth. So we can keep the vegetables and the fruits fresh for longer time. And in the earth, on the earth, when we talk about agriculture, ozone can kill the pests and the virus, bacteria in the earth, and also can kill the seeds of other plants, and reduce the pests that happen in the earth. The third is medical application. Medical application. We can use the ozone to make disinfection in the patient room, in the operation room, and the air disinfection. Also, we can use it for the instruments of medical application, surface disinfection. As ozone can kill many kinds of bacteria or uh, uh, virus very quick, and even more, ozone can cure some diseases, especially for certain parts in the body, uh, uh, especially uh, for skin diseases and for arthritis, arthritis, and the doctor can inject a certain amount of ozone that can cure arthritis. Even more for the normal life, for the uh, air smells room. We can also use ozone to improve the quality of the air. And for the drinking water treatment, most of our drinking water was treated by ozone, especially for city water 5 and drinking water 5. Even water was used was disinfected by ozone. So, what do you think? Do you have other applications that can be use this ozone disinfection method? 这会儿这么安静，是不是因为周五了都不上线？他们才早上。以前我们公司老得这一伙，一到周五到公司不干别的，从早上到公司就开始说，You know today is Friday，然后一直搁这捣鼓一早上，捣鼓到中午，哎，人没了，不知道跑哪去走。我说哎那，哎呀，我一会儿准备撤了，整不动。这直播这个路子，我发现还是挺有意思的，咱们还得想办法把它变成各个 topic，按顺序来。今天播了一天200克，不能这么整，想点花样，让我缓一缓。下午本来要播这个车阳水的，结果连设备连了个稀碎。
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, today I'm going to introduce ozone generator kits. It means a whole suit. So our customer can roll up this. Only a suit that you need to assemble yourself. It is the main ozone generator module. 是不是走了？啊，走了？说啥？Tube 这个行业的那是啊，它的行业嘛，叫 Fuzzy，就可能是马来的吧，或者印尼的啊，对，反正就是那一块儿人有这个名字叫 Fuzzy Hamazah Fuzzy。原来我们在新加坡那个团队的有个人就是 Fuzzy，来中国他是信那个什么什么教，哎，到我们这儿首先给他破戒，先吃肉再喝酒，嗯，吓坏了，说千万不要告诉他们那边的人他在这边吃肉喝酒了，哭着说真好吃。马来那边就是很少有卖酒，伊斯兰、穆斯林呀，这家伙我们还没有完全成功呢，他们就开始庆祝了。Go ahead，好了，再播1分钟不播了。呀，突然报着你的网络连接不稳定。嗯，YouTube。You know today is Friday. From the next week, we are going to talk about the mini series and uh, the case series and also the 那个是什么 series 啊？咱们那个白鸡柜是什么系列？A 系 A series means uh, ozone generator assembled together with the oxygen generator and also assembly with chiller. It's a whole suit which you can run up it with any without any other connection. Okay, have a nice weekend. 好，起个晚一点，意思晚上再工作时间长一点呗。听不来这个弦外之音了。对呀、the management skills has been enhanced greatly in the last half year, especially for management on boards. 对啊，现在多久了呀？可以。嗯，9点。嗯，谁？都宇辉。
直播间里边也没人。
啊，
你看他早期那个视频，那无精打采。
可能不知道他干啥。
后来突然有一天，直播间里边就爆了，
搞一些事情让他
然
爆。
后新东方就火了嘛。
我回来是讲故事，西安万国学院的是吧？
对。
讲故事。它是有文化底蕴的，不像东北。当时我家在东北，一问都是你这从哪逃荒来的，家家户户基本上都是从外地来的，就很少有能遇到纯正的本地人，很少。本地的原来都是什么鄂伦春啦，我们都叫他们叫鞑子，那些都是像野人一样。哎，我爷当时到这个东北的时候，发现他在林业局砍那个木头，晚上在那林子里面就能冻死。但是少数民族就是把那些小孩儿就是整了一个那个拿那个袍子还是什么兽皮做的那个袋子，把那个特别小的小孩直接挂树上，晚上一个人在里面也不会冻死。嗯，那个时候日子才叫苦。他是最开始是伐木头，挣钱挣的也多，但是他特别苦。哎呀，他在家里边也是娇生惯养，家里类似于弟弟，到了这边也没干过活，这东西啊，第一天出去伐木回来，扶着墙回来的，根本就走不动。第二天，当时他也是有些泥有劲，慢慢的才熟悉了这种生活。这也要找王红杰让他过来修啊，明天不行，让他过来修，这网一会儿断。是因为它断啊，还是因为咱们这接收器有问题？是不是可以直接插网线？不是，插网线插到电脑上看看行不行？你离那么近，还方向，那有啥方向？
插网线肯定比这个好啊。办公室的电脑就是用的网线，应该是用无线线。
那就不行，让他换这个啥，换这个换这个路由器。
这个拉网线的话，得要把这个电脑串起来，配置好了以后放到这儿，再直接给它来无线，其他的不用无线。
他那个路由器可能不太好。腾达呀，腾达应该还可以啊，它是个牌子吧？听着名字像个牌子。
4个小时之内9个人转发了2个。
嗯。 对，就怕统计数据的。
讲话的
对，
在这播突然有些事情吧，真的有流量来了，他接不住。
是啊，我也担心这个事情。
对，采购那儿赶紧就是该寻方案寻方案，该寻优品寻优品，先给你把配件起来。
是的，
你要做工贸优品就也是，
对，这个必须得把这个资源池建起来。
不然真的有一天，反正就存在有一种爆品的可能，
嗯，
因为你也不知道啥时候，
对，
接不住就是个大问题，接不住会一下子让你跌到低谷。
嗯。小应该里头汤啊，你就先放着。
说的结束了，结束。
Okay, thanks for your attention. And this is Donald Tang from Dreamer Technology. Today we introduced the 200 gram ozone generator and introduced for the composition and accessories. And from next week we will make introduction for other products and application and the possibilities that around the world the high ozone generator requirement is very strong and we will provide high quality uh, products. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye bye.
说让书店接着。
嗯。都是这个价格，哪怕你过年，我过年的时候过来，发现依然有人在干。抓了。 就来的不少，准确度还有。那这个东西有没有类似于文章，或者说咱们说那个介绍的那段字，说的啥？ICU 它不是有一个那个网页一个这个在谷歌搜索里边显示的那段话，不知道那叫什么，就是谷歌搜索，比如说某一个标题下面还有一个就像概览一样的一个东西，就让它能够搜到，或者说他平时搜的词跟这个相关度大，他就会过来。
你是说谷歌搜索出来的结果，你刚显示出来这个速度？
嗯，不是，你拿谷歌随便搜一搜。这个还没有 stop。